Hello everyone, welcome back here once again. Thank you so much for clicking onto this video. In this video I am going to be sharing a fried egg toast recipe. Filling, delicious but simple and easy to make. Sit back, relax and watch me do this. Thank you. So right now what I am doing now is cracking up some eggs. I'll be using 4 eggs. Use whatever number of eggs depending on your family size. And also on the screen you see that I already prepped my onions, I diced it, and also tomatoes. After breaking the egg, I just seasoned with all-purpose seasoning. I'm not adding salt because the all-purpose seasoning has salt in it. I also added in dry rosemary because I love the aroma of rosemary. I whisk that all up and then I pour in the diced tomatoes. You can also add in the diced onions, but I'm not doing that at this point. I added in baby spinach, which I already washed thoroughly with vinegar, water. I added in now just a pinch of chili pepper because I like the heat from it. Normally I would do white pepper, but I didn't have that at the time I was making this meal. So on my pot there, I just added in some oil. Now we're going to stir fry the onions because my kids do not love to see onions. Like they'll tell you mama is raw, so I prefer to always like saute it for 2 minutes before pouring in the egg into the saucepan. After 2 minutes, I'll now pour in all of the egg mixture and I'll allow it to fry. I want to use this opportunity to say thank you so much to everyone who has been watching my videos. I truly appreciate your likes, your comments, your support. Thank you so much. And if you're new here, please give this video a thumbs up. If you like what you're seeing, do consider clicking the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell to all so you get notified whenever I upload a video. So the eggs are like almost done. I just want to turn it over. After a minute, I'll now take it out from the saucepan. Please give this video a thumbs up. Drop me your thoughts in the comment section. I'd like to hear from you guys. I also want to know what kind of breakfast do you enjoy most. I love my fried egg toast because it's very filling. It takes me for hours and helps me to drink lots and lots of water. So now the eggs are ready. I just divide them into 4 different parts and I'll take it out from the saucepan. All done now. Time for us to toast the bread. I am using full corn bread. Just use whatever sliced bread your family eats. The first thing I'm going to do is for me to butter the bread. Well buttered now, I turn the side I buttered onto the toast pan or the toaster, whichever way you call it. Now the next thing I'm putting on there is cheese. You know, I told you guys that this sandwich is very filling, yeah, because it contains a whole lot of things. And next on it, I'm putting in a fried egg onto the both. And then the next thing I'm going to be adding is sardine, yeah. You can actually add your sardine at the point when you're frying your egg, in your egg mixture. When you add in your tomatoes, your spinach, whatever you want to add in, you can add in your sardine at that point. But no, I choose not to do that. This is how I enjoy mine. So for the bread that goes on top, I just showed you guys that I butter both sides very well and then I cover up the bread. Now we just cover up the toaster and wait until the green light shows up, and that means it is ready. This is just it. Ready, simple, easy. All you need is just your coffee or your hot green tea or whatever. It's quite very easy and simple. If you've watched to this point, I truly appreciate you and I say thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to drop me your thoughts, thumbs up, and also please share. I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you for watching and bye bye.